Well, new tonight, air conditioners across East Tennessee have been running full blast this week as the heat wave continues. Now, if you're renting, you depend on landlords to ensure you have cool air. And when it comes to climate control, Tennessee landlords have laws they must follow. Reporter Mary Klingler talked to a lawyer who says landlords may be required to keep your AC running in these hot temperatures.
It's no secret, it's hot in East Tennessee.
We've been getting flooded with calls.
Angela Bartlett is the manager of aging services at the Community Action Committee. She says many are holding off on the AC, and it's dangerous to do that.
Like, it's time to turn it on. This is too hot.
The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency says nationwide, more than 1,300 people die across the nation from extreme heat each year.
When you have unprecedented weather like this for longer than a couple days at a time, it's very dangerous.
For some who rent, home offers no relief because they don't have air conditioning. Is that legal?
Air conditioning is not really classified as an essential service under the law that applies to Knox County.
Lawyer Michael Davis says it depends.
In emergency situations, if the landlord has provided the air conditioner in the past, or they provided the air conditioning unit when they moved in,
which he says might make it an essential service.
if it's threatening someone's health and safety, it may rise to that level.
Davis says if your AC doesn't work, contact your landlord. If you don't have AC or services can't reach you in time because of the high volume of calls,
Get out of the house during the day. Go enjoy a senior center. If you're an older adult, go walk at the mall, go to a store, go see a movie. Do something where there's air conditioning so you can stay cool.
Reporting in Knoxville, I'm Mary Klingler.
Experts say now is also the time to check on our older family members who might be at risk of heat stroke. And remember, summer begins next Tuesday.